If you want to reset your Mitsubishi AC remote to factory settings, remember that you will lose all personalized settings, and after reset, your Mitsubishi AC will start in auto mode. There are several methods to reset Mitsubishi AC remote, depending on the model. If one method doesn't work for you, then try another method. The first method, to quickly reset Mitsubishi AC remote, is using a reset button. To quickly reset an AC remote, press and hold the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. If you don't have a reset button, then find the pinhole. Sometimes Mitsubishi AC remotes have a small hole located on the front or back. This is a reset button. Use a toothpick or pin to press the pinhole button for 10 seconds to reset the AC remote. If your Mitsubishi remote doesn't have a reset button, don't worry, I'll share alternative solution. Another method to reset Mitsubishi AC remote is by removing the batteries from the remote. Remove both batteries and wait few seconds till the display goes off, then put the batteries back. This will successfully reset your AC remote and changes all settings to default factory settings. If your AC remote stops working, it could also be due to weak batteries. To reset the remote, remove the old batteries and wait few seconds, then replace them with new batteries. This will reset your AC remote and get it working again. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.